What if I told you that in today's market there is a health insurance plan that actually gives you unlimited coverage and another one that is designed just for young professionals and even one that take care of senior citizens with no entry age limits. Yes, one single company is offering all of these and that's what make it worth a closer look. And to break down these plans in the simplest way possible. So that's exactly why I am here. Hi, I am Mariam and I represent Policy Hub, a place where we simplify insurance so you never make costly mistakes. And in today's video, we are going to explore Niva Bupa Health Insurance, like its background, its claim settlement ratio, and the wide range of plans it offers for every stage of life. So let's begin with the Niva Bupa Health Insurance background. Niva Bupa started in 2008 as a Max Bupa Health Insurance, a joint venture between Max India and UK-based Bupa. In 2019, private equity firm True North took over Max India's stake and the company was rebranded as Niva Bupa Health Insurance. And today, it stands as one of India's leading stand-alone health insurer with a reported net worth of over rupees 1,000 crore. And in terms of stakeholding, Bupa Singapore Holdings holds around 44%, while Fatal Tone LLP, which is backed by True North, holds about 55%, which makes True North the majority shareholder. Now, let's talk about the trust. In financial year 2023 and 2024, Niva Bupa recorded a claim settlement ratio of about 93%, which places it amongst the top player in the insurance industry. And the company follows a structured claim settlement process which comes in two types. First one is cashless and another one is reimbursement. Customer can avail cashless treatment at a network hospital by sharing their policy details and ID cards, after which the hospitals coordinate directly with the insurer. For reimbursement claims, customer has need to submit their all documents to the company and within 7 to 15 working days, once documents are submitted, their claim will processed. And it also has a 10,000 plus cashless network hospitals. So whether you are in a metro city or a smaller city, support is never too far away. Unlikely many insurers that follow rigid zone-based pricing, Niva Bupa take a more flexible approach. The number of zones for premium calculation is not fixed. It actually varies from plan to plan. Some Niva Bupa plans have premium divided into 2 zones, other into 4 zones or even up to 8 zones. So the premium you pay depend on the specific plan you choose, making it more tailored and balanced. Niva Bupa allows coverage for up to 19 family members under certain plans like Health Companion and Health Premia, while other plans like Reassure typically cover up to 6 members. When it comes to Niva Bupa Health Insurance, the entry is simple and inclusive. For adults, the minimum entry is 18 years and the maximum entry is 99 years. And for children, coverage can start as early as 91 days and go up to 25 or 30 years, depending on the opted variant and the plan. So whether you are starting young or planning ahead of your family, there is a Niva Bupa health insurance plan that built for you to fit. Now let's explore the plan. First plan is, which is newly launched, is Reassure 3.0. This flagship plan is offer unlimited coverage, global protection for critical illnesses, OPD coverage and PED cover from day 1 as per the plan term and condition. And it comes in 4 variants, like first variant is Classic, another one is Select and Elite and then Black, and with the Black variant offering virtually no limits on many key features, making it one of the most comprehensive health insurance options available in the market. Next plan is its Reassure 2.0. Reassure 2.0 is a powerful health insurance plan designed for long-term protection and with Booster Plus benefit, your sum insured double in just 2 claim-free years. And its unique feature is like Lock the Clock benefit, freeze your entry age premium and Safeguard Shield your sum insured from deduction, which you will get from the consumable items and PPE kit, gloves. It also covers OPD, modern treatments and mental illnesses, making it a truly future-ready family plan. Another unique plan is Aspire plan. Aspire plan is designed for young professionals and nuclear families, flexible, affordable and rider friendly. It allows you to start with lower coverage and enhance it as your income and responsibilities grow, making it an adaptable choice for people in their 20s or 30s. Another plan is Top Up, which is Health Recharge, a super top-up plan that adds up to 1 crore extra coverage on top of your base policy. And it is ideal for those who already have a company cover or a smaller policy but want large protection against rising medical costs at an affordable premium. Health Companion, an affordable family floater that covers essential hospitalization needs, and it includes features like daycare treatment, domiciliary hospitalization, making it a balanced option for middle class households. Another plan is Senior First, which is tailored for senior citizens with no maximum entry age, no claim bonus, and optional copay waiver. It is built to address common health issues for older adults and ensure that coverage continues even in advanced age without restrictions. Another plan is Heartbeat Plan. This is one of Niva Bupa's most comprehensive offering. It is designed for high net worth individuals and families who want wide-ranging coverage without limits. Heartbeat comes in 3 variants. It's Silver, Gold, and Platinum. Depending on the variant, it covers hospitalization expenses, maternity benefits, newborn baby cover from day one, international treatment for specified illnesses, and even annual health checkups. The Platinum variant is especially powerful with higher sum insured option and enhanced global coverage, making it suitable for families who want premium protection. And let's not forget, all Nivopa health insurance plan comes with tax benefit under Section 80D up to 25,000 for yourself and family and 50,000 for senior citizens. So whether you are a young professional or a growing family or planning for your parents, Nivopa has designed something for everyone. So if you are still confused which plan is right for you, that's where Policy Hub steps in. Book your free consultation with Policy Hub and the link is given in the description. So before we wrap up, if you had like to learn more about powerful riders available in Nivopa Health Insurance, or if you want a complete in-depth review of their latest Reassure 3.0 plan, you can check those videos on the end screen of this video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you press the bell icon so you never miss an update. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.